Assalamu alaikum everybody. This is first video in my channel, so let's get started. Who I am. My name is Muhammad, a person who believes that a person's value lies in their ability to renew themselves. I'm not just a number in a record. Teach savvy soul and mind that finds its show up in the lines of programming. I love the world of code, not only because it's language of the future, but because it's my means of reinventing myself and developing my thinking every day. I'm lifelong student in the school of life, always striving for development, not only in the status but also through and knowledge. I'm not content with that. I know I constantly seek more. And I believe that the most beautiful way to give back is to share knowledge with others. Here, I'm not a teacher, but I'm a companion on this journey, sharing my steps, my failures, my continuous development. Because I believe that together we can reach horizons we never imagined. The channel purpose. The channel's name is Muhammad is Evolving, and this is not just a name but a promise I'm making to myself. The goal of this channel is to document my professional and technical transformation journey. I want to build a bridge between where I stand now and the dream I aspire to achieve as a programmer and a future researcher. This channel is a record of my steps, my successes, and challenges I will face. What we learn. On this journey, I want to be learning alone. Together, we will delve into the Python programming language from the fundamentals to algorithms, data structure, OOP, problem solving, and software testing. We will also explore HTML, CSS, Git, GitHub, JavaScript, command line, Vite, and others advanced technologies. Our focus will be on discipline, constancy, and how a simple daily routine can completely transform your life over the coming months.